Hello guys. With this video I'm going to show you how to put your products in using Retail Menu, which is a WordPress plugin. This is a WordPress website that was created, and these are two products that have been placed in under this category. So these are thumbnails that we created, and then descriptions and titles for these products. So what we would need to do first is sign in to our WordPress account. I've already done that, and go to the dashboard. Once in the dashboard, we'll see that we can access retail menus here or retail menus here. Okay. So what we want to do is we're going to add a new product. It's called Pop-Up Rack, and as you can see, I've already created the menus, the current menus, which correspond to the pages. They're listed here, and they're listed in the drop down for lab promotions in this particular website. So what we'll do is we'll go to Retail Menus. We're going to place our pop-up rack into Other Promotions. So we'll click Other Promotions. Now this is the area that we will use to put in our new item. These are our current items that are showing up when we look at Other Promotions. Okay. So what I do is I'll always open up another dashboard, and the reason I'll do this is so that I can work inside this one and not go out of the other one. What we need to do first is we need to add our media to our website. So the media that we need is our image and then the PDF that's connected to that image. Each one of these has a link to a PDF. Okay, so we're going to go to Media and go to Library, and we are going to add new. Okay. So the new one that we're going to add is called Pop-Up Rack. Again, I've created the thumbnail in another video using GIMP. So we're going to add that. Then we also need to add the PDF, which is right here. Okay. Both of these have a place that they live on the web. Okay, so they both have a web address at this point in time. Now that I've put them into the server that's hosting our website, they now have a spot on the web. We need to go and get the PDF spot, so we're going to click Edit, and this is where it's living. This is the file URL. So that PDF now is on the web at this place. We need to copy this information. So what I did is I right-clicked. When I right-clicked, I clicked Select All, and then after I clicked Select All, I right-clicked again and I copied it. Okay, so now we have that. So we have to do two things with this. The first thing we need to do is we need to go to our Retail Menu, and we need to put that URL right here. Okay, we can make it a little bit bigger. That's the PDF URL. Okay, I'll show you why we need that in a minute. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add the image. Okay, and we're going to add it from our media library. And we're looking at images, and when it comes up as just images, it's going to show us right here, pop-up rack. That's what we need. Now this is important here too. We need the link URL to take us to that PDF. So we still on our clipboard have the URL. So now we've put in our link URL here. This is the URL that takes us to the PDF. Okay. We want to keep the image full size. We'd like it to center, and we're going to insert it into post. Okay, so our image is there now, and we have to click this little guy here. These are two chain links. Right now they're broken. We need to put them together. That makes that link that we just created active. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to tell the name of the item, and that goes in this box, and the name of the item needs to have a link also with it. So in order to do that, so you don't have to remember how to write the code, what I recommend is taking the previous href that you've created, copying it on a new line. Okay, this was for the Baltimore Bioworks gloves, so we need to change that to pop up rack. That's the name that will show up, and there's two quotation marks here, one here and one here. We want to replace it with this one here, so we will highlight this, cut it, and then highlight this and paste it. Okay, and we can get rid of this space. Okay, that'll take us up to the top. So now we have the name in, and it is linked to the PDF, and we have the image in, and it's linked to the PDF. The only thing we still have to do is put in an item description. Okay, so your description, the item is here, and your description would go in here, and generally you'll get your description from the image, or you may have to go to the website. That's what I've done in the past, if there's a website that has information about the product, or maybe you have a database. In this case, this is the actual PDF, and I took a cut and paste. I cut that and I pasted it here. After you've got all your information in here, you can click Add. Okay. So this is where it ended up here. If we update our items, it should go to, let's go here, let's reload. And there we are, pop-up rack. And this one should take us to the PDF. And let's close that. And this one should take us to the PDF. And it's not. So we got something wrong there. We'll have to check that out. Okay. We need to edit this guy. href. Oh, we got two F's here for PDF. Missed one. There we go. So we have to be careful of that. When we're cutting and pasting, we got to make sure we catch all the code that we need and don't have any extra snippets left over. Because if we do, you see what just happened. And if we reload, or refresh, I'm sorry, and we go to pop-up rack, we should get the PDF. There we go. So now it's working fine. So that's it. My name's Eric Reese. I'm with Out in Front Marketing Service. hopefully this has helped you with retail menus. I find it to be a relatively easy way to put products up that don't necessarily need a price. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back here soon.